You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. When grime gets the upper hand, fight back against your toughest home, outdoor, and auto cleaning tasks with SPX3501 Electric Pressure Washer from Sun Joe. With 13 amps of pure cleaning power, the SPX3501 packs a super-powered punch, generating up to 2300 PSI to make quick work of a variety of outdoor chores. Pump up to 1.48 gallons per minute to get really clean, really fast. This grime fighter will make quick work of the most stubborn stains, from mildew to caked-on mud, grease, oil stains, and more. And like every great superhero's utility belt, the trusty extra-large 40.6 fluid-ounce onboard detergent tank is there for when you need to give your cleaning blast a boost. Talk about grime and punishment? Tailor your spray to suit the task with the included 5 quick connect spray nozzles, from punishing pinpoint jet to powerful fan spray. And you'll always clean smarter, not harder, with SPX3501's built-in total stop system, which automatically shuts off both pump and power when the trigger's not engaged to save energy and prolong pump life. And when the work's done, simply wind it all back up with the convenient onboard hose reel for faster cleanup and neater storage. And every SPX3501 comes backed by Sun Joe's complete 2-year warranty. You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. From porch to patio, siding, sidewalks, auto deck, and driveway, your dirty jobs just got done. SPX3501 Electric Pressure Washer from Sun Joe. Get equipped.